Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step-by-step process how we can easily set up and use projects in Quickbooks. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is just click projects here, and now I will go to top right or like start a project. And now what's the project? Let's call it a software customer. Who's the project for? Now I'm going to choose, like, let's say cool cars. And note, this is going to be a software. Click save. Now when you create your own first project, you can simply go to top right and add to project. You can see the edit here. Then on the left, you see the in progress. Let's click X, I will show you. In progress, you can have it as a cancelled or completed. And now you will see income here. So you can create invoices. Then you can simply add hours and expense and bills. Also, you can see the transactions here, what was happening. Then you would see the time activity. So when I'm going to track time, I will see it right here. And project reports, like project profitability, time cost by employee or vendor, or unbilled and expense time. Unbilled time and expenses. So I can simply click here and go add to project. And as I mentioned, I can add an invoice. So when I'm going to add an invoice, it's going to directly use the customer that I added, that who is the project for. I can add project service, software. I can have the service, save and close. Quantity, rate, let's go to 100. Okay. And this is like simple invoice, so I'm going to save and close. Nice, we got it. So when I'm going to click on a project, I can see the income here. So I created an invoice directly for this project. Now costs. Let's say that I'm going to our hourly time here, hours. And now let's wait until it's going to load. So add a review timesheets in Quickbooks. What do you need to track hours worked? Track projects. Next. Okay, I just clicked on it. Add a time. Entry. Now you can add a... I would like to track my own time, not their. So I'll just refresh it. So I'll just add employee here. It's going to be as me. Save. And now what you can do is also, when you're gonna add an employee, you can add, let's refresh it now. And let's wait until it's going to load. Okay, add a time entry. Add employee. So Marcus Stone. You can add a cost rate here, like, let's go 20. Billing rate, let's go 15 or 25. Bill by default. You can add as a social security number, employee ID. Let's click save. And okay, so this is how you can do it. Then when you go to projects, you would see it right here. And then you can also add expenses. And again, who did your pay? Software expense. Save and close. Amount, let's go 50. And save and close. Right here, we can see the software expense. Right now, it's bugging a little bit with the hours. So you would see also the hours here, as I mentioned. Then in transactions, you would see that, okay, we got expense, we then got invoice. Then you would see the time activity right here, so I could track time, but right now for some reason it's bugging out. And then you would see project reports here, what was happening. And you can simply choose the in progress to like complete. So this is how you can set up the project. I know it was a little bit missing point with the hourly time costs. It was bugging out a little bit, but this is like how it actually works and how you can use projects in QuickBooks. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.